Here's an update from the KSHB 41 Weather Center. All right, kind of an interesting setup tonight, and it's been interesting over the last 5 to 7 days. Look at the rainfall totals over the last 7 days, from New Mexico to the Great Lakes and off to the north, and the dividing line is Kansas City, as usual. And when we take a little closer look here, now Grand Island, Nebraska, 7.3 inches of rain is a radar estimate. Most of that occurred yesterday. They were in a flash flood emergency. They had one of their wettest days on record in Grand Island, Nebraska. Northwest Missouri had a dry spring, only 3 or 4 inches of rain until the last few days. They had 3 to 8 inches of rain. And areas east of I-35 and south of I-70 got pretty much missed a couple weeks ago. Missed with this. The medians are turning brown. Things are turning brown if you haven't gotten the sprinkler out. And so rain is needed. And now we're all in a flood watch. And it's kind of interesting because it's obvious northern Missouri is going to have a flood watch because any rain there is going to run off mostly because it's so saturated up there. But why a flood watch south of I-70? Because even though it hasn't rained in a while, the ground is dry. And so if you have really, really heavy rain, a lot of it will run off instead of get absorbed. So we're all in a flood watch, but south of I-70 will take the rain. It has gotten awfully dry. So let's see how all of this is going to evolve. Is this going to come with severe weather? Well, some. We're in a level 1 to 2 of 5 risk, and it's mainly for strong winds with some of the thunderstorms. The tornado threat, the hail threat, they're never non-zero, but they're close to that. So you always got to watch that, but it's just really not enough flow aloft for a tornado threat. And it's too warm aloft kind of for hail, but we'll watch it. And it's mainly strong wind and flash flooding are the threats. So let's take a look at our powercast here, and you can see now around 4 p.m. the thunderstorms really lining up in Iowa, back towards Salina. There may be a shower or thunderstorm around here, but 4 to 8 p.m. we will watch the thunderstorms grow in northwest Missouri and then begin to head in our direction. And 8 p.m. to midnight, that's when our best chance of thunderstorms is going to move through from very heavy rain. Maybe some strong winds gusting over 15 to 16 miles per hour. We shall see. And then after midnight, it all moves off to the east. You could have a lingering shower at any time tomorrow, a lingering shower or a thunderstorm, but nothing really organized as everything moves off. And it should move off by tomorrow evening, setting us up for a decent weekend. Now, how much rain are we expecting? Well, this is interesting. Now, if you go from Emporia to Ottawa, Harrisonville south, there may not be much rain. And to the north, well, what does all this mean? Well, the lowest total in there is 1/10 to 1/2 inch. The highest is 4 to 7 inches, which means most locations in that area should see 1/10 to 1/2 inch of rain. There will be pockets at C 2 to 4, 1 to 2, maybe even 4 to 7. It's those pockets that have the flash flooding threat. Now, this gives you an idea of how it's going to set up. What I would take as a grain of salt is the location of the heavy rain areas. That is just simply not set. It really depends on how thunderstorms form in models, and it really can't predict the location of heavier thunderstorms, and it is very hard to predict in the future. We just know the area that it's going to get hit, but not necessarily the specific areas of the heaviest rain. So we take a look at the forecast. 4 to 8 p.m. we are looking at hot and humid conditions in Kansas City. There could be an isolated thunderstorm around. The main show will be getting going in northeast Kansas, northwest Missouri. Temperatures 90 to 95 today. Then as we look at tonight, 8 p.m. to 5 a.m., thunderstorms will track southeast across Kansas City, then move off to the southeast. Strong wind, flash flooding, the main threat. And then tomorrow, humid. It'll be cooler, but humid. And any organized thunderstorms will end early. Some new scattered thunderstorms are possible, or showers just about any time during the day. What about the weekend? Looks good. Highs around 90. Great for the pool. Can't rule out an isolated thunderstorm, but the chance is low. Then, if you missed the rain on your yard or farm and you need it tonight, the next chance is Sunday night, Monday. There's probably another chance there towards the end of next week. Have a great rest of your day. Stay healthy. Stay with KSHB 41, and we'll keep you advised.